Hello folks, 018 here. This is Donkey Stomper 125V-HG-1Pill. This was the raffle box that was raffled off from Mark Simpson to help on his funeral expenses down at last Manchester break by NRO. What it was doing, it was swinging 150 and falling off on his face when he kept talking on it. And there was a bad capacitor on the output transformer was weak, causing it. But Dilly Hopper won it, 116 in Tennessee, and he was nice about it and everything, cool about it, and he hollered at me, or I talked to him, and he brought it up here to me, and I just added him another pill in it and replaced the capacitor and made him a pretty mean little driver here, a little upgrade for him. We're going to do a little test video. Galaxy 88. Reflect power, 5-volt reverse. Radio check, radio check. Well, that's driven power, I'm sorry. Radio check, hello, 4 watts in. So it's 4 watts burned in, about 25p. Straight through SWR. Radio check, radio check. Alright, turn him on. Alright, now he's on. Reflect power, 5-volt reverse. Radio drive. Radio check, half a watt. Input SWR, 0, 1, 2, 3, audio. 500 watt slug, average power. Radio check. Do about 100 average. 1,000 watt average power. Oh, audio, a little over 100. PP, radio drive. Radio check, cheeseburger. So this is my Galaxy 88, swing about 25, hello, 1, 2, 1, audio, radio check, that's on 15.5 now. 15.5 on the power supply, radio drive, 25 ppm, audio, radio check, worldwide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to show it ain't falling off, because that's what was wrong with it, was falling off the first round. Hello, 1, 2, 3, got down. Alright, just for fun. Let's say you got a little striker or something to drive it. We'll go here and hit peak on 500 slug, just so I'm going to drive it. Radio check, I'm going to put 90 in, okay? 90 ppm. Alright, let's see what it does with 90 ppm. 500 watt slug. Radio check. Oh, let me turn it on. 90 ppm. This simulates a striker, but you got to keep the dead key low. 1, 2, hello, audio, 1. Just putting the 500 in the corner. Go down. That's going to be, let's see, we'll go here 1,000. Average power, driven, 90 watt PP. 1, 2, check. 200 average. PP. Radio check. Worldwide. Little 500. 1, 2. It don't bother it a bit. Of course, you gotta keep your decky down. Have a good SWR. Radio check. This kind of makes it like a 1x2 that way. Worldwide. I got down. But anyway, it's a main little driver. Got him all fixed up for 116. Hope you enjoy it, man. Take care. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Now back quiet.